Have you ever come across a remarkable plant known as Moringa? It truly is a nutritional powerhouse. In this video, we'll journey into the world of Moringa. Together, we will discover its health advantages, how to incorporate it, and reasons to add it to your routine. Moringa is a tree that originates from India, often referred to as the drumstick tree or miracle tree. Have you wondered what makes it so unique? The leaves of Moringa are brimming with essential vitamins. They are rich in vitamin A, C, and calcium. Plus, they also contain proteins and antioxidants. Let's delve into the benefits one at a time. First, Moringa acts as a strong booster for your immune system. It aids in fighting off infections thanks to its abundant vitamin C. Next, Moringa nurtures brain health. It has neuroprotective qualities that enhance memory and cognitive abilities. Furthermore, Moringa helps reduce blood sugar levels. Studies indicate it can assist in managing diabetes, playing a vital role in overall well-being. Moreover, Moringa contributes to radiant skin. Its antioxidants help combat the signs of aging. Plus, Moringa oil is fantastic for skin hydration. So, how can you easily add Moringa to your meals? You might consider incorporating Moringa powder into your smoothies. Just 1 teaspoon transforms your favorite blend. Another idea is to sprinkle Moringa leaves over salads. It enhances both nutrition and taste. You could even prepare Moringa tea. Simply steep the leaves in hot water for a refreshing drink. Let's visualize a scenario together. Imagine you're feeling a bit under the weather. You whip up a smoothie with Moringa. Suddenly, you feel revitalized, and your immune system receives a fantastic boost. In conclusion, Moringa is nothing short of a nutritional giant. It provides an array of health benefits. From bolstering immunity to enhancing brain functions, it's essential. So why hesitate? Begin adding Moringa into your diet today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness insights.